Before installation, according to different installation environment, safety helmet, gloves, reflective clothing, safety rope, goggles are required for high-altitude construction. Secure the equipment. Equipment position order is as follows: 1 air compressor, 2 air tank, 3 cold dryer, installation of air tanks, accessories. The order of installation accessories of air tank is as follows: 1. Install safety valve on the top of the air tank. 2. Install the pressure gauge. In the middle of the air tank. 3. Install the blowdown valve. At the bottom of the air tank. Connecting gas pipe. 1. Install ball valve at the exhaust port of air compressor and connect the pipe to the air inlet of air tank. 2. Connect the exhaust port of the air tank with the air inlet of the primary filter with a pipe. Then connect the exhaust port of the primary filter with the air inlet of the cold dryer with a pipe. Connect the cold dryer, secondary filter and tertiary filter in sequence. Finally, install the ball valve and connect it to the compressed air delivery pipeline. Remove the air compressor transport fixed column after the operation of the above process. The pipeline has been installed. Then the machine and the cold dryer are connected to the power supply. Please make sure that the power supply voltage and frequency are correct. Power on. If the phase sequence error is displayed after power on, please switch on the power supply again. After changing the sequence of 2 power supply lines, after the pressure rises to the rated pressure, check the air tightness of the pipeline. While the installation and operation demonstration of air compressor pipeline is here.